south of Tifton, heading north on 75. 6 hours out, I was ready for a stop when I saw an old diner, don't remember being there. The place was crazy, a party going on. The place was kinda rough, so I made myself home. It's always been my weakness, and I've got a knack. I can always find a game going on somewhere in the back. Oh, run, run, better run, you better run. Got business with the devil and you ain't done. You can run, you can hide, but you're gonna pay that bill if the devil don't get you. Your lawyer will. I've been to Vegas and I can hold my own. I sat down to an empty chair and said, deal me in. Didn't know the rules and I didn't know the stakes. I just figured all these games pretty much the same. Some nights you're races and some nights you fold. It was one of those nights the cards running cold. Last thing I remember, and the memory's kinda thin, how the room got deathly quiet when I said I'm all in. Run, run, better run, you better run. You got business with the devil and you ain't done. You can run, you can hide, but you're gonna pay that bill if the devil don't get you. Her lawyer will. Next thing I remember, the light in my eyes, the old state trooper just doing his rounds. Told him how I stopped at that diner for a rest, but when I looked around behind him, there's nothing there left. Told him my story, don't think that he believed, but his eyes got real wide when I showed him my receipt. What he told me next, well, it made my blood run cold. He said, don't you know, son, that place burned down 10 years ago. I don't believe in ghosts, devils, or demons, but lately I've been doing a lot of strange dreaming. There's this weird little man always chasing me, saying I'm the devil's lawyer, and son, you've been served.